In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import Trello to ClickUp. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go and what to expect, so your Trello boards land in ClickUp smoothly with no guesswork. First, open your ClickUp account. Make sure you're signed in to the workspace where you want your Trello content to live. Having the correct workspace selected up front keeps everything organized once the import completes. Next, click on your profile. You'll find your profile avatar in the lower corner of the ClickUp interface. This opens the Personal and Workspace menu where all key preferences and tools are located. From there, click Settings. The Settings area is where ClickUp groups essential configuration options, including importing tools. If you have multiple workspaces, confirm you're adjusting settings for the one you intend to import into. In Settings, click Import Exports. This section is dedicated to moving data in and out of ClickUp. You'll see options for several platforms. The Trello importer is built to guide you through a straightforward transfer. Now click on Trello. This opens the Trello import flow. From here, simply follow the prompts on your screen to successfully import it. The on-screen steps are designed to be clear and predictable. Typically, you'll be asked to allow ClickUp to connect to your Trello account so it can read the boards you want to bring over. You may also see options to choose which Trello workspace and boards to include, along with preferences for bringing in lists, cards, due dates, descriptions, attachments, comments, and members. When choices appear, pick what best matches how you work today so your structure feels familiar in ClickUp. As you proceed, keep the browser tab open and avoid refreshing the page. Import speed depends on how many boards, cards, and attachments you have in Trello. Larger workspaces can take longer, and that's completely normal. ClickUp will show progress indicators or confirmation messages as the import runs, so give it time to finish in the background. Once the prompts are complete and the import wraps up, your Trello content will appear in the ClickUp location you selected, preserving the essential hierarchy and details you chose during the process. You've now moved your Trello work into ClickUp using the built-in importer with just a few clicks. That's the entire process. Open your ClickUp account, click on your profile, go into Settings, choose Import Export, select Trello, and follow the prompts. If you found this helpful, you're ready to get productive in ClickUp with your Trello work right where you need it.